Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's video I just want to show you how to use ChatGPT to brand yourself on any platform at all. How to use ChatGPT to brand yourself, whether you want to build a brand on Twitter, on Facebook, using any kind of content. I'm going to show you some prompts that you can use to get yourself branded on any platform at all. This is Chat GPT for marketing, sales, and branding. So let's get started now. The first prompt I want to use here is to use Chat GPT to show me or give me to write 5 tweets for me on how to market my products on personal growth. Okay, so I just want to say, okay, so I'm already on the chat GPT app. So I write how to how to or help me write five tweets on personal personal growth for business success. Now you have to be specific. When you are using ChatGPT, you have to be specific because ChatGPT will only give you answers based on the question you ask him. So now he's coming up already. Okay, help me write 5 tweets on personal growth for business success. So here is the tweet now. Now you can see now ChatGPT is writing the tweet, and is not only writing the tweet, is also giving me hashtags. So you're also giving me hashtags. So as you can see, he's writing the tweets, and then of course he just finished writing them. So as you can see, the first one say personal growth is key ingredient for business success. Invest in yourself and watch your company thrive. And of course, this chat GPT has a way of writing articulated content, and the only thing you just have to do is just a little amendment in case you don't agree with some, or you want to make some of this content specific to your own audience. So now I want to assume that I want to create a real video for Facebook, like Facebook reel. So I just want to give me 5 ideas, or give me 5 Facebook reels ideas to sell my course, or to sell my affiliate marketing affiliate marketing course. This is just an example, and of course after this we'll go for YouTube video. So let me ask ChatGPT. Oh, we have reached your limit. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Okay, anyway, but this is basically what it is. This is basically what it is, that you can use ChatGPT to write as many as you can. You can use ChatGPT to write many content as you can. Of course, as you can see, this is 5 tweets with hashtags and every single thing that you can actually get from uh maybe this will take you up to an hour of thinking before you even come up with this kind of tweet. But with ChatGPT, you just enter and pen, within seconds you have your own content that you can publish on any online platform. So what I want to do is I will go to my Twitter and then start publishing all these things now. So let me just copy. Okay, let me just copy. Okay, let me just copy now. Let me paste it here and see what it is. Okay, no. Okay, want to copy the first one. So I want to copy the first one. So okay, I cannot copy one of them, so I have to copy as many as I can. So let me go to my Twitter handle. Let me go to my Twitter. Where is it? Oh, T. Okay, this is my Twitter handle. It's coming up now. Should be up in few minutes. So I just click here, and then I just paste. I just paste them. And then I just select the number one. And then I just tweet. So already I have 5 tweets that ChatGPT has written for me, and they are all very, very creative. So that is how to use ChatGPT to write any content at all that you need. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it helps me spread this message further and fast.